Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the payment method in the Bird application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see two lines. Press on it, and here in this page you should just press on the second option, which is payment. And after waiting a little bit, you will be in this new page and you can see the add new payment methods section. There you should press on the second option, which is add credit card. And here you can just enter the credit card details, basically the numbers of the card and the expiration date, the month and the year. And once that is done, all you have to do is just press down at the top of your right corner and you just added the new payment method. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.